Hello and good day, friends. My name's Landon with Flaman Trailers, and today we're gonna go over a Trailtech L370HD Pintle Hitch dump trailer. Trailtech trailers are Canadian made, come with awesome features. Once you go to a Trailtech, you might never go back to another brand. Let's dive in and take a look. First off, on these Trailtech dump trailers, something you can't see is a 5-year mainframe warranty, as well as a 1-year electrical wiring and paint warranty. Keeps you covered for longer, keeps your mind at ease, so you can focus on making money and putting this bad boy to work. One of the awesome features on this Trailtech HD 370 dump trailer is the heavy duty charge kit, meaning you can run a power from the alternator on your truck, leaving you in the field longer, not having to worry about charging the battery on this unit. Moving back, you have dual 12K jacks, adjustable drop legs as well. In the main A-frame, you have a toolbox housing the battery and pump box, lockable, as well as some storage for all your chains, ratchet straps, whatever you might need. Has a 10-gauge wall as well as a 10-gauge bed, 8 D-ring tie downs in the bed, as well as a roll tarp to ensure all your material stays in there while traveling. You have 16-inch 235/80 R16 tires, 8-bolt rims. The suspension on this Trailtech trailer, 7,000-pound Torflex axles. The advantage to Torflex, maintenance-free, smoother ride, again, keeps you in the field working longer instead of downtime. Also, on the sides of this dump trailer, 16-inch sides, they have places for wood gussets. Advantage to having the wood gussets on the side, if you are side loading and you do hit the wood, it's a lot easier to replace a 2x6 rather than a whole chunk of steel. You have stabilizer jacks, safety feature. Drop those down when the vehicle is hooked up or unhooked. You can run these, drop them down all the way, less strain on the trailer. Tailgate on this Trailtech dump trailer is single style, meaning it's a barn door style. Couple final features on this awesome Trailtech trailer. Slide out ramps on the rear, as well as LED lighting all around. If you have any questions or want to inquire about one of these awesome Trailtech dump trailers, contact your local Flaman dealer or visit flaman.com. Thanks and make it a great day.